Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. So right now I am in Geelong Waterfront and we have come here for New Year celebration. So let me show you that how much crowded it is here. Right now the time is around 8:30 p.m. and you can see that it's all crowded, all full everywhere. There are people around. So we came here for 9 p.m. fireworks, and right now they are about to start in around 10 to 15 minutes. And we are just looking around trying to grab a spot somewhere near the beach. And then we grabbed a spot near to beach, and finally the fireworks started at 9 p.m. sharp. And after 9 p.m. fireworks got over, we just moved to the another side of waterfront to see the giant Christmas tree which was being put up there. And then we decided to stop for 12 a.m. fireworks also, but they were just similar to 9 p.m. fireworks, so there was nothing much different. So in case next year you want to go for early fireworks, so they both are same. There were some private fireworks also going on some boats where New Year party was being held. So after that we just moved back around 12:30 am we left from there, and we had a nice good experience. I hope you guys also had a nice experience of your new year, and happy new year to everybody. Thank you so much for watching.